Okay, this is a cold start. Now the flickering you see here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. This is all just kind of flashing with the camera being kind of funky. It's just like the frame rate. When you come back here, it kind of freaks out. 27,972 miles. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 27,972 miles on the odometer. Now, this is not doing this in person. That's the frame rate of the camera just being kind of funky. And so it puts these weird lines in it, but it does not look like that. And there's no flickering anywhere. Like I said, just the camera being kind of funky. Non-smoker, very clean in here, and these seats are incredibly comfy. First thing I noticed is how quiet the cabin is. The alignment's good. The suspension is really soft. Shifts nice and smooth. That wasn't full throttle, just enough to kind of get up and go so you can see those shifts. No complaints with drivability. Very, very nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this car has no PPF on it. Looking at the tires, you have date code 2023, 2023, 2023, and 2025 on the other side. So it was replaced at some point. Looking at the wheels, gloss black. I don't see any curb rash. Overall, that wheel looks really good. And this paint is crazy. It's gonna look a lot better outside, I bet. But in this bay, it still looks really good. Really unique color for sure. Looking at the fender, see a little spot on the paint there. It's not a chip, I don't think. Gloss black trim. Overall looks good. Here on the side mirror, there's a couple spots here and there that have kind of bug etching, basically where bugs splattered on there and kind of etched into the clear. When you look at this trim, super common across the board on a lot of like Jaguar, Range Rover product, Aston Martin, the plastic. It's gloss black, but it has a purple hue to it. Almost like it fades kind of funny. Like I said, it's super common. You got to get in that right lighting, but I see it a little bit there. Here on that door. Overall looks good. Come down here, I do see a couple dings and some chips. And then right there is a scratch in the paint, and it did go through. So you can see that took some paint out right here. And another little chip there. Typical swirls on that plastic trim. Looking at this door. Looks good. Got gloss black around that perimeter piece here. Then looking at that trim, you have a chip there. Overall, that wheel looks good. Quarter panel. All of that's nice and clean. You got the window tint on here. Looking at this front end. Very aggressive looking. Gloss black trim everywhere. Looking at the hood. Couple hard water spots. You can see some bugs kind of splattered on there and etched into the clear. Got a rock chip right there. A couple small impacts, a few small chips. All pretty subtle though. You're gonna see some kind of bird poop here that etched into the clear if you see that in the right lighting. A few more little chips here on the lens. Overall, that's in great condition. You got some rock chips kind of peppered throughout. Get up close at that right angle, you're going to see some more kind of bug etching and things like that, but it's pretty subtle. Rock chip there. You do have some gashes right there on that front bumper. A few more chips. And you can see there's a bug inside the lens here. So it's kind of crazy. Clarity looks good though. That fender looks nice. Wheel looks good. And this is the tire that's 2025. Maybe they had a nail in it or something like that, but that is the newest of them all. Here on the side mirror, a little scuff there. That looks good. Overall looks really nice. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. If you get close, you're going to see some light scuffs here, because that's very subtle. And that right light right there. Tail light looks good. That's your backup camera, of course. That tail light looks good. Got the parking sensors. Pretty clean back here. Looks really nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Love the color of the seats. That looks really good. Looking at the door panel, this is a soft touch. Very, very nice. I love the pattern on it. Buttons look good. Got the Meridian surround, memory seating. Overall, that door panel looks really nice. Got the all-weather mats. Looking at that bolster. Nice and clean. A little bit of wear on the edge, but it's very subtle. Bottom looks good. Steering wheel looks nice. Upper side of the dash is clean. Beautiful interior though. Really not much to pick apart in here. Okay, I have the liner kind of pulled out and then got this seat up, which it's all power, just so you can see that. A little bit of the space, and they are heated. And then you have the buttons here. And then you can see those middle seats move forward, so this one can lay down flat. And then that seat comes back. And you can do the same with the other side. Really cool. But looks like they just used this as more of a cargo area, and they have the full-size mat back here. Looks really good. Once again, push the button here, raise that bad boy back up, and then you got this. Really, really nice. Here on this door panel, that upper section is really nice, super soft to the touch. I love the pattern on that. Buttons look good. Got the brushed trim here. All of that looks really good. A lot of storage in here. Got the all-weather mats. I like how they lock in. Looking at the seat, couple little markings. Bolster looks nice. Love the color. Beautiful, beautiful color. That side of the console looks good. This is all soft, really nice. Push the button. Very cool. Upper section of the dash looks good. I like that it has a black headliner. Got the double roof, massive one in the back. This size is pretty good too. Okay, checking out that door panel. Upper section looks good. Got a little cubby here, that's nice. All-weather mats. Looking at the seat, a couple light marks. See a little scuff here. A little bit of red transfer in that corner. See, it's pretty subtle. See a couple little spots there. Here on that back left door panel, that looks good. Nice and clean. That seat looks amazing. Do you see a little scratch right there? See that? Otherwise, that all looks good. And keep in mind, this does have a third row back here. Got the all-weather mat. And then there should be a third row behind here. I see the heated seat buttons right here. So I'll get those mats kind of lifted. Checking out all the buttons here. You can press this. Lowers that. Nice carpet material. Fold the seats. You can raise and lower the suspension back here. I mean, it's got it all. Very, very cool. Alright, here in the engine bay. All the plastics are protected. Looks good. Of course, you got the big cover on here. Can't see much. That looks nice though. Here on the underhood liner. That's in great condition.